Aberdeen, South Dakota with the weekly NOAA weather radio test. The warning alarm tone and the emergency alert system have just been activated. These tones will precede the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm system. During severe weather situations, receivers built with the tone or emergency alert features will be automatically activated for watches and warnings affecting your area. This concludes the live test from the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen, South Dakota.
Huh?
West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 50 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear.
Yeah, sorry I didn't get the fire weather watch yesterday. I guess they didn't issue it. But yeah. They didn't issue the fire weather watch either yesterday, so that's why I didn't upload any videos yesterday. But that was the weekly test. Hope you guys enjoy that. Alright, bye.